Hello everyone, I am Tariq Jamil from Tariq360 YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to work with sales funnel and generate lots of leads, product sales and many more. So let's start. At first, we'll see the difference between normal marketing method and sales funnel marketing method. So for normal marketing method, we send traffic to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and other social network, or people search for information from Google about our website. Then they learn about our products, read reviews, positive or negative, and compare products. Then finally they make decision to put products in cart and review shopping cart and go to checkout. At last they their sales transaction is completed. But for sales funnel marketing, we send traffic to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest or any other social network, or people search for information about our website on Google or other social media or search engine. Then buyer examine a specific product and reviews. They only show a specific one product or their reviews. Then buyers share research on products and brands with other stakeholders. Then buyer gets a free product demo or something like that. Then buyer gets contract proposal. Finally sales transaction is completed. Now I'm explaining sales funnel more to understand this method is better. Okay. For sales funnel, we send traffic via Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, or any other social media. And we send traffic where? We send traffic to Squarespace. What is Squarespace? In Squarespace, details or free video ebook like that are included. So if people are interested, they subscribe to our email list. When they subscribe to the email list, they get the free PDF or video. Then they go to the presentation or product page. For Squarespace, we get the emails of the customers. After that, they go to the product or PDF or video download link, but their email list is gathered on GetResponse or any other email marketing autoresponder. In the second stage, they download the PDF. Finally they are transferred to the product sale page. If they buy the product from this product sale page, will get the instant profit. Or if they don't buy the product here, we can send emails to their send many emails to their email address, because we already collected or gathered their email address from email marketing autoresponder. That means by normal marketing you can get sales for one time. One customer visits to your website, you get product sale or list for one time. But for sales funnel marketing, you get sales from lot of times. When you have the email list, you can send the products details, description and many future product and send email to their email address. If they are not buying the product for first time, you can also send the emails to them and they make decision to buy products later. That means you can generate lots of sales through sales marketing, sales funnel marketing. There are many sales funnel marketing software available in the internet. ClickFunnels is one of the best sales funnel marketing software. You can check out the ClickFunnels link in the description. And about ClickFunnels, I will make a tutorial about ClickFunnels tutorial. To see the ClickFunnels tutorial, follow up my channel and subscribe my channel. Like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, write down the comments below. Thanks again.